Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very cute mesh hat. I use 3 millimeters hook, 3 millimeters yarn. I show. This is acrylic yarn. Make a slip knot. Insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, make a slip knot and make chains. Yarn over, pull up yarn, make chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Insert your hook into first chain. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, a slip stitch. Make a ring. Add 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, go to this ring, stitch first round in this ring, pull up yarn, add 1 chain, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, make extended double crochet. Yarn over, go to this ring, pull up yarn, make a chain, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns, yarn over, go to this ring, pull up yarn, add 1 chain, pull through, make extended double crochet. We made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 extended double crochet. With these chains we have 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 stitches in total. Go to top of first chains, insert your hook, pull up yarn, pull through a slip stitch, make 1, 2, 3 chains, add 1 more chain, yarn over, go to first stitch, I show, pull up yarn, make a chain, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns, extended double crochet. Now we have 2 stitches in first stitch, make a chain, yarn over, go to next stitch in second stitch, make extended double crochet, add 1 chain, yarn over, go to same stitch, extended double crochet, add 1 chain, yarn over, go to third stitch, extended double crochet, make a chain, go to same stitch, extended double crochet, make a chain, go to next stitch. Now we made 2 extended double crochet in 1 stitch, extended double crochet, 1 chain. I show 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 and add 1 chain between every stitch. Complete this round. I made this stitch 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22. Go to last stitch, extended double crochet, make a chain 23, make extended double crochet, 1 chain, 24. In total we have 24 stitches. Go to top of first chains, slip stitch, continue like this. Go to same stitch, insert your hook into same stitch, pull up yarn, make 1 single crochet, add 1 2 3 chains, go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, make 1 2 3 chains, go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 chains, go to next stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 chains, 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 chains, 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 chains, make a single crochet and repeat. I made until here. I show in here I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 with this last stitch 24 mesh stitch. I show how to make last stitch. Continue like this, add 1 2 chains. In here in first stitch we have 1 single crochet, yarn over, go to this single crochet, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together. I show now we have 24 stitches in total. Go to this stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 single crochet in here, make 1 2 3, 1 single crochet, 1 2 3, 1 single crochet and repeat 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Complete this round. We have 24 of these mesh stitches. Make 2 chains. In first stitch we have 1 single crochet, same as before row. Yarn over, go to this single crochet, pull up yarn, pull through, make a single crochet, 1 2 3, and make like before row. Complete this round. I made this row in last stitch, repeat same as before, stitch, make a single crochet, 1 2 3 chains, and repeat. I made this stitch. Go to first stitch, yarn over, go to first stitch, complete this round I show. In here we made 1, 2, 3, 4 rows with 3 chains. In this row we have 3 chains. In 5th round make 1 single crochet, make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, add 1 more chain in here, make 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and repeat. I made this row with 4 chains. In last stitch make 2 chains, yarn over, go to this single crochet, make 1 single crochet. In this row continue with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and repeat. In here we have 5 chains. In last stitch continue like this, add 1 more chain in here, make 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, go to first single crochet, pull through, I show, go to this stitch, 1 single crochet, make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 single crochet. I show in here we made 3 chains, 3 chains, 3 chains, 3 chains, 4, 5, in this row 6, 3 chains for 4 rounds, 4, 5, 6, and repeat. I have 6 chains in here. In here continue like this. In last stitch make 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, go to first single crochet, pull up yarn. In this row make 1 chain, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. Repeat like this for next rows. 3 chains, extended double crochet, make a chain, pull through, go to same. In next rows continue like this, 1, 2, 3 chains, extended double crochet, yarn over, make 1 chain in here, pull through, continue, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, make single crochet same as before rows. Continue with 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains. Make 6 chains, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and make more rows like this. In last rows repeat like this. I made until here. I show in total I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 mesh rows. I have 80 centimeters in here. In last stitch continue like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains. Go to this single crochet, a slip stitch. Go to first mesh stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, make 1 single crochet, yarn over, go to same stitch, pull up yarn, pull through all of them, make 1 half double crochet, yarn over, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns, make 1 double crochet, make 1 chain, go to same stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet. Go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, make 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, make a chain, 1 double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, and repeat single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, add 1 chain, double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet. Repeat like this for last round. I made this last row. I show in last stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, make a chain, double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, go to first stitch, a slip stitch, this is free size. You can use this hat for every size.